Hi everybody!
Hi!
Level Up here! This is
Mary.
my best friend Mary. We're happy to see you. We're out soaking up the good old fauna today. Check out where we are. Can they see the waterfall?
The mist, maybe. We can't get down close enough.
We're out here doing some healing, enjoying the fresh air, take you along the way. How do we figure out the camera? There, you can see.
Yeah. We can't get close, but...
Oh, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Mary, come around this other side. We're just taking time out today to just do a little self-love, a little adventure together. We'll check in with you soon. I think the camera's fogging over.
Look at the rainbow.
Woo!
You see that?
So pretty. Look at everybody. Look where we are. Check this out. I'm going to scoot right around you, baby girl. Because I can't see.
That sun just
It went down.
shined down on that just for a split second.
Woohoo!
She's coming back out.
All this fresh air. Love and life.
I can't believe that big snow mound down there is where we were climbing up to get sprayed on by those falls.
Amazing. Pure beauty. All this beautiful fresh air. Just loving it.